Hey, everybody. So I have a little confession to make. I have a love-hate relationship with social media because you get on it and then you just go down all these rabbit holes and, before you know it, you've spent 2 hours and you haven't gotten any work done. But we need social media and, most of you are probably doing some organic marketing and stuff. So, one important thing that you can put on your social media, of course, are the social proof, right? People who love your work and they want to tell the world about it, and that's great. But again, every little thing that we do seems to take away from us doing those money making activities and taking care of our clients or creating our things that we sell. Well, I don't know if you know this, but inside of GoHighLevel slash Funnel Gorgeous slash any of the other white labeled programs out there, there's this really cool little feature on how you can take Google reviews and have it automatically turn into social media posts. How cool is that? And you can also say only show the top 3, 4, and 5-star reviews if you want. Okay. So I am just going to show you how to do it. It's so easy to set up. I cannot believe that I haven't been using this in my own business. Now, a lot of times, let me just say this. We think about Google reviews as more of kind of a brick and mortar type business. But even online space, are you asking your people, hey, would you mind leaving a Google review? And you can just send them the link and they can give you a review. And then if you do that, then you can set up this little back end automation or process and it will automatically post on whatever social media platforms you have. I mean, I'm all for the automation. So let's do this. I'm going to share my screen here. And I will just show you how super easy it is to do this. So I am going to hop over into my GoHighLevel account. Again, any of the white label programs you're using, Funnel Gorgeous, I don't even know the names of all of them. It works the same. The first thing we're going to do is over here on the left, you want to go to marketing. And then up here at the top, we have our social planning. And the first thing you'll want to do is link all of your different accounts. You may not have a Pinterest account or maybe not YouTube, whatever it is. So I went through and I connected all of my social media platforms that I want to connect with. Okay. So you do that and it's that easy. Okay. You can just go through and look at the different notifications, things like that. Most of them are just default. I just have this turned on under the notifications, request for post approval to get an email if somebody wants to post on my account. All right. So that's all you have to do with that. So we've connected our social media. And then I'm going to just come back up here to our social planner. And now, so up here at the top, we have all of the different sites that we're connected to. And holy moly, things are getting so much easier. So you can build out your content right inside of here and you can get it to automatically post for you. You can track your stats, all of that kind of stuff. But staying focused, what I want to show you today is how can we turn our Google reviews. So if I just come up over here to the top right and just say new post, and I'm going to come down to where it says post reviews. Now here is the cool thing. You only have to do this once and it's good to go. It will just run in the background. So the first thing we do is we select the review source. So we just do the drop down and is it on Facebook? But what I'm looking at is my Google reviews. We could add both if we wanted. Okay. Then we can say, which ones do we want to show up? Now, technically, I don't think you're allowed just to, through the Federal Trade Commission or whoever monitors, I think you have to be realistic in what you show. So you could say, okay, all 3 stars and above. Again, what we're doing is we're saying any Google reviews that come in that's 3 stars and above or 4 stars and above, where do I want to show those? And then I just go down and check, which ones do I want them to show up on? Okay, so my Facebook business page, my Instagram, my LinkedIn. All right, so you just select those. And then you can also say, what's the maximum number of posts do you want? I'm going to go with 5 because why not, right? If you're getting a lot of referrals and all that kind of stuff, then let's show them all. And then when do you want them to send every day, every week? Well, let's send them every day, whatever time. So basically, it's going to GoHighLevel is just going to go out, make a call to your Google business setup and look once a day and then bring that information back and then post it on whatever you have selected. And then we just go to next. So you have to select all of your accounts here. So I'll just do LinkedIn for purposes here, and then say next. And then you can set little background images. You can add, so if you've got your own template that you want to use, I'll just use this one here. You can select multiple ones, because if you have more than one coming in, okay, I'm just going to select one for right now and say next. And then it just gives you a little preview here of what it looks like. Then in this preview here, if you wanted a little caption, so you could just say like, client love. I love seeing my clients be successful. Okay, whatever you want. And then you can say display the full name, only initials, or none. Usually I just do initials unless you get it in writing. Usually people are going to leave a review, though they know that they're sharing that. Okay, and then you can change the font, the color, what color star that you want, and then click create post, and you're good to go. I mean, how easy is that? So the nice thing is this will happen automatically. So let me come over here to my Instagram account, and here's somebody posted this, right? It was automatic. I just reached out and said, hey, would you mind leaving a Google review for me? And so they filled out their review. I did not have to do anything. So let me just come back here so I could see you face to face. So I didn't have to do anything. Once I set that up, so now every day at 10 o'clock or whatever time you have set up, it will automatically grab those reviews and put them on any of your social media that you want. How awesome is that? Woo-hoo! So for people inside of my Digital Business Academy, I can help you get this set up. I can share the snapshot with you if you want. I mean, it's super easy to do. So let's take advantage of it. And it's one less thing that you have to worry about or think about. As always, if you want more help like this, think about joining the Digital Business Academy. You can be like an inside VIP member if you use my affiliate link for GoHighLevel. However you want it, I'm here to help you. Let's get your business booming. All right. Thanks for watching.